Let's make Sindhi Kadhi. We need drumsticks, potatoes, beans, carrot, eggplant and lady fingers. We also need onion, garlic, green chili, curry leaves, tomato puree, tamarind puree, chickpeas flour, carom seeds, coriander powder, fenugreek seeds, salt, chili powder, black pepper, ginger powder and curry powder. In a pan add oil and carom seeds. Now add chickpeas flour and let it cook until golden brown. Now add water and give it a good mix. Now we will add our spices to the vegetables. Add chickpeas flour mixture. Add more water. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Add tomato puree. Now add lady fingers. Cook until the lady fingers are tender. Add tamarind puree. In a pan add oil, mustard seeds and dried chilies. Add curry leaves and cumin seeds. Add it to the kadhi. Now our Sindhi kadhi is ready to serve.